Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and welcome to another free English video lesson brought to you by Main Street English. In this video, I'll be exploring the differences between two very commonly used modal verbs in English, may and might. As an English learner, you may have heard these words used interchangeably, but it's important to note that they do have distinct meanings and usage. I'll demonstrate when it's appropriate to use may and when might should be used instead, as well as giving you some examples to help you understand how to use them correctly. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, keep watching to learn more about the differences between may and might and how to use them correctly in your conversations. Are you ready? Let's go. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that are placed before the main verbs in sentences. They give additional meaning to the main verbs and can express various ideas like possibility, permission, obligation, and more. In this video, we will focus on may and might, which are two modal verbs that express possibility and permission. May is most commonly used to express possibility or likelihood in a sentence. For example, it may rain today. She may come to the party. He may be busy. May can also be used to ask for or give permission. For example, may I borrow your pen? Or, you may leave work early today. The word not can be added after may to make negative sentences. For example, it may not rain today. She may not come to the party. He may not be busy. Sometimes just saying may I is enough to ask for permission for something. For example, if you want to ask someone to dance with you, you could simply hold out your hand and ask, may I? May and might are usually interchangeable when it comes to expressing possibility. For example, I may go to the gym tonight, or I might go to the gym tonight. However, it's important to note that might is generally not used for asking for or giving permission. For example, might I borrow your pen? Sounds a bit strange and formal. Finally, might is often used to express a lower likelihood or possibility of something happening compared to may. This means that might is generally used when there is a lesser chance of something happening, or when the speaker is less certain about something. For example, I might not be able to come to the party tonight. This suggests that there is a lower chance of the speaker attending the party, perhaps due to some unforeseen circumstance. Similarly, he might not finish the project on time suggests that there is a possibility that the project won't be completed by the deadline. In comparison, may is used when there is a higher possibility or likelihood of something happening. For example, she may come to the party tonight. Suggests that there is a higher chance of the person attending the party. Thank you for watching this video. The differences between may and might seem subtle, but they can significantly impact the meaning of your sentences. Remember to use may for permission and possibility. Use not to make negative sentences, and reserve might for expressing a lower likelihood of something happening. Keep practicing and using these modal verbs in your conversations, and you'll be speaking English like a native speaker in no time. If you have any questions about the use of may and might, leave a comment and let's chat. I'm Jason from Main Street English. Please remember to like and subscribe to see more free video lessons from Main Street English. Thank you, and see you again.